let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following statement regarding a simple trust is false? False means we have three true statements and one false. Now, if you're using Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain what's a simple trust. You can, at the end, ask AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer, or create a similar question about simple trust. But let's take a look at the true statements. If it's a true statement, take it out. That's the easy way to look at it. A simple trust is obligated to distribute all its income currently. It means annually. And the answer is that is correct. Therefore, it's not the correct choice. We're looking for the false. A is a correct statement. A simple trust is unable to claim a deduction for charitable contribution. That's also correct. A simple trust cannot have a charity claim a deduction for a charity. That's out too. A simple trust has the option to select either a fiscal or a calendar. Now, the trust, they have to use a calendar year, because think about it, a trust when you are alive. And when you are alive, you can determine, that's a calendar year. Now, when you die, it's an estate, you cannot control that. But for a trust, you have to follow a calendar year. Therefore, C looks false, but let's look at D. A simple trust exclusively make distribution from its current income. A simple trust exclusively make distribution from its current income, and that statement is correct. They cannot distribute the corpus. They cannot distribute the principal. That statement is correct. We're looking for the false statement. The false statement indeed is C. Now, what can you do? You could ask the AI, if you are working this on my website, to explain the correct and incorrect answer a little bit more in depth, so you dive deeper into this topic. What should you do? Whether you are an enrolled agent candidate, CPA exam, whatever you're studying for, accounting students, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, AI resources, more lectures, podcast lessons, video MCQs, video simulation, and you will have extra support by Farhat and the team. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.